Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm immigration attorney Emre Ene, here to provide you with clear, actionable answers to your immigration questions. Today we're diving into a topic that's critical for many, adjustment of status, or AOS for short. If you're currently in the US and thinking about applying for a green card, this video is for you. I'll answer the most common frequently asked questions about the AOS process, break down the steps involved, and share practical tips to help you succeed. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap of what to expect and how to prepare. Let's get started. So what is adjustment of status? Let's start with the basics. It is a pathway for individuals who are already in the US to apply for a lawful permanent resident status, commonly known as a green card, without leaving the country. This is different from consular or embassy processing, where applicants must apply for an immigrant visa at a US embassy or consulate in their home country. Why is this beneficial? So first off, it's for convenience reasons. You can remain in the US throughout the process, avoiding international travel. And secondly, continuity. There is no disruption to your life or work here while your application is pending. To be eligible for adjustment of status, you must 1. Be inspected and admitted or paroled into the US. This means you entered legally, whether on a visa, with parole, or another authorized method. And 2. Be eligible to receive an immigrant visa. This typically requires a qualifying family or employment relationship or meeting another eligibility criterion like asylum or humanitarian protection. And 3. Not to be inadmissible. Grounds for inadmissibility include certain criminal offenses, health-related issues, or prior immigration violations. So if you meet these criteria, you've taken the first step toward becoming a green card holder. Who is eligible for adjustment of status? Eligibility for adjustment of status depends on your specific circumstances. Let's explore these common categories. First one is family-based. Immediate relatives of US citizens such as spouses, parents, and unmarried children under 21 are the most straightforward cases. Other family members like siblings or married children may qualify but often face longer waiting periods. A second one would be employment based. If your employer has sponsored you for a green card and you are in the US on a work visa like an H-1B, you may be eligible for adjustment of status. Third one would be humanitarian grounds. Refugees, asylees, and individuals with protections like Violence Against Women Act may also qualify. The fourth one would be diversity visa lottery winners. If you're physically present in the US, you might be able to adjust your status under the diversity visa program. But be mind, eligibility isn't always straightforward. An experienced immigration attorney can analyze your unique situation and advise you on the best path forward. So how do I apply for this adjustment of status process? The application process is detailed but manageable with the right preparation. Here are the steps. The first one would be to file a Form I-485. This is the main form for adjusting your status. Ensure it's filled out accurately and completely. And the second step would be submit your supporting documents. USCIS will require proof of your eligibility, including birth certificates, marriage certificates, financial evidence, and in some cases, affidavits of support. The third step is to pay the fees. The filing fee for Form I-485 varies depending on your age and circumstances. Be sure to check the latest fee schedule on the USCIS website. Fourth step. Attend a biometrics appointment. USCIS will collect your fingerprints, photographs, and signature for your background checks. And the fifth step would be the adjustment of status interview. You'll meet with a USCIS officer who will review your application and ask questions to confirm your eligibility. And finally, wait for a decision. If approved, your green card will arrive in the mail. If denied, you'll receive instructions on your options for appeal or further action. So what are the benefits of adjusting your status? Why choose adjustment of status over consular processing? Well, the first one would be your possibility to stay in the United States. No need to return to your home country during this process. The second benefit is the work authorization. You can apply for an employment authorization document or EAD to legally work while your case is pending. And the third benefit would be travel flexibility. With advanced parole, you can travel internationally without jeopardizing your application. Another benefit is to include your family. Your spouse and unmarried children under 21 can often adjust their status along with you. These advantages provide stability and peace of mind as you transition to permanent residency. What happened at the adjustment of status interview? The interview is often the most nerve-wracking step, but preparation can ease your anxiety. During the interview, a USCIS officer will review your Form I-485 and verify the accuracy of your answers. He or she may ask questions about your eligibility and background, and request additional evidence if needed. If you're applying based on marriage, be prepared to prove the legitimacy of your relationship. You could bring passports of you and your spouse, joint financial documents like bank statements or tax returns, evidence of shared living arrangements like lease agreements. You could also dress professionally, arrive on time, and bring organized copies of all the required documents. Being honest and prepared will set you up for success. So as I mentioned above, there could be questions like, can I work while my adjustment of status application is pending? Simple answer is yes, but there are rules to follow. So you'll need an EAD. File Form I-765 alongside your Form I-485 to avoid delays. Travel. Apply for advance parole using Form I-131 before leaving the United States traveling. Traveling without advance parole could result in your application being considered abandonment. So what's the difference between the consular processing and adjustment of status? Both processes lead to the same result, a green card, but they differ significantly. Adjustment of status works best if you're already in the United States and meet eligibility requirements. And consular processing is necessary if you're outside the United States or ineligible for adjustment of status. Adjustment of status is typically more convenient but can take longer in some cases. An attorney can help you decide which path is best for you. So, the adjustment of status process is an incredible opportunity for those in the United States to secure a green card without leaving the country. However, the process can be complex and time-consuming, so preparation is key. If you have more questions or need guidance, don't hesitate to contact our office. We're here to help. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more expert immigration advice. See you in the next video. Thank you.